Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about Cartesian plane coordinates. This is basically a graphical system that is used to locate a point on a two-dimensional grid. This system uses two perpendicular lines. One is called x-axis and the other one is called y-axis. And these two lines intersect at origin. Furthermore, these two intersecting lines make four quadrants. Apart from that, we're going to talk about transformations and the different types of transformations. But first of all, we're going to learn how we can locate a point on a two-dimensional grid. So let's take any example. If we are given this point like 2, 4, where 2 is a x coordinate and 4 is a y coordinate. And x coordinate is also called abscissa. And y coordinate is called ordinate. So let's draw a two-dimensional grid. So this vertical line, like this vertical perpendicular line, is y-axis. Where this is positive and this is negative, and this horizontal line is x-axis. So in short, a y-axis, it works vertically, and x-axis, like this whole x-axis, it works horizontally. And this is positive and this is negative. So now we're gonna locate this point A on this graph as these two intersecting lines, like the x-axis and the y-axis, they meet at origin, and the coordinates for origin are 0, 0, and this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, positive. And for the y-axis, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And on the left hand side, like on the x-axis, the points are negative, and so on. And on the y-axis, upward points are positive and the downwards are negative. So this is -1, this is -2, -3, -4, and -5, and so on. And now we're going to locate this point A, 2, 4. So 2 is on x-axis and 4 is on y-axis. So 2 is here and the 4 is here. So now we're going to join 2, 4. So that means this is the location of point A, 2, 4. Now we're going to talk about all the four quadrants. So for example, if we have to locate these points on a graph like 2, 4, let's say 2, -4, or -5, 2, and -5 and -2. So first of all, let's make a two-dimensional grid. And this is y-axis that works vertically, and this is x-axis that works horizontally. And the points on the right hand side they are positive, and the points on the left hand side they are negative. And for the y-axis, the points upwards they are positive, and the points downwards they are negative. So let's mark, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and so on up to infinity. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 5. So now we're gonna locate this point A here. So this is 2 and this is 4. So the location of this point is here. So now we're gonna locate point B. So this is x coordinate and this is y. So this is 2, like the x coordinate, and the y coordinate is minus 4. So that means here. So this is the location of this point B. 2 minus 4 and C. So minus 5 and 2. So that means minus 5 here and 2. So this is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. So this is minus 5 and 2. Like the x coordinate here minus 5 and the y coordinate here 2. Now D. Like the x coordinate is minus 5 and the y coordinate is minus 2. So this is x coordinate and this is y. So this is gonna be D. So minus 5 and minus 2. And so this is our first quadrant, and this is our second, this is third, and this is fourth. So if any point lies in the first quadrant, the values of x and y axis, they're gonna be positive. Like x coordinate and y, they're gonna be positive. And if a point lies in the second quadrant, the value of x coordinate gonna be negative and the value of y coordinate gonna be positive. Like x gonna be negative and the y gonna be positive. So the third quadrant. So in the third quadrant, the value of x coordinate and the y coordinate, they're both gonna be negative. Like x and y, they're both gonna be negative. And if a point lies in the fourth quadrant, the value of x coordinate gonna be positive and the value of y coordinate gonna be negative. Like the x gonna be positive and y gonna be negative. So our next topic is transformation. Fundamentally, transformation in mathematics is the change in size, position or orientation of an object or figure. Basically, there are 4 different types of transformations. But today we're going to do only one type, that is translation. Translation is the movement of figure along a straight line in the same direction. So let's take this example. If we are given points A, B and C, and we need to apply this translation 2 units right, 2 units to the right and 3 units up. So first of all, locate these points on a graph. Like this is the y-axis and this is x, this is y. That works vertically, like up and down, and the x-axis works horizontally, like to the right and to the left. So this is positive, this is negative, and this is positive and this is negative. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's say this is 6. And this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. So A is 2 and 3. So that means 2 and 3. So this is 2 and this is 3. So they're gonna meet here. This is A. And the B is 3, 1. Like 3 and 1. This is B. And C, 4, 3. 4. This is 4 and this is 3. Like 4 and 3. So this is C. And let's join A, B, and C. So now we're gonna apply this translation, like 2 units to the right and 3 units up. So the A is 2, 3. So after translation, so A gonna be like 2 units to the right. So 2 units to the right, that means, so 2 units to the right. So here it's 2. So 2 units to the right gonna be 4 here. So that means 2 plus 2, 4. And 3 units up. So 3 units up means 1, 2, and 3. So this is gonna be 6. So same with the B, point B. So after translation, like 2 units to the right. So 2 units to the right. So here's B, 2 units to the right. That means 5. Like 1 and 2. And 3 units up. So 3 units up, that means 4. And for the C, 4, 3. So after translation, so 2 units to the right, so 4. So 2 units to the right, 6. And 3 units up. So 3 units up, that means 3 plus 3, 6. So our new points will be A, 4, 6 and B dash 5, 4 and C dash will be 6, 6. So now we're gonna locate these points here. So 4, 6. So 4 and 6. So that means here. So this is our A dash, which is 4, 6, and B dash 5, 4, like 5 and 4 here. And C dash 6 6, so 6 here, 6 6, so this is C dash 6 6. So now we're gonna join these points. So this is our original figure, and this is our transformed after applying translation.